No, don't let them say what you're not, 'cause you are strong. You are wise. You are worth beyond 1,000 reasons why. And you can't be perfect, baby, 'cause nobody's perfect, darling. But no, 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 there's nobody.
Okay, so today I'm gonna be showing you commentaries on our trip to Kpatawee. As you may be aware, Kpatawee is one of the tourism sites in Liberia. And I can rest assured you, staying with us on all of the shots and scenes I'm gonna get today in this video is gonna make you know how beautiful Liberia is and how peaceful we are in this country. So I'm moving along with some team members. We are up to 35, 36, but they are just I'm sitting right beside the bus there. Maybe we can reach and greet them and see what's going on. Your Bible. You want that? Okay. Okay, so these are my friends. They are just 0.2 of the total number of team members we have on the trip. I don't know, you got something to say here for me?
I'm very much happy that we are going on our trip. We are going to Sister Lab,
My name is Mona Lisa Blai, for short you can call me Mona Lisa.
Mona Lisa.
I'm so excited to be here, seeing